Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reprogram your Honda Odyssey key fob. First, gather every key fob you want to program, including any existing ones. Make sure all your vehicle's doors are completely closed and unlocked. Then, sit comfortably in the driver's seat with your key ready. Remember, timing is crucial. You must complete each step within 5 seconds. Now, let's begin the sequence. Insert your key into the ignition. Turn the ignition to the on position, which is the second click, so your dashboard lights illuminate. Within 5 seconds, press either the lock or unlock button on one of your key fobs for about 1 second. Immediately after, turn the ignition back to the OFF position. You'll repeat that exact on button OFF sequence 2 more times for a total of 3 cycles. On your 4th turn of the key to the on position, press the lock button on your remote again. You should hear the door lock cycle, making a distinct clunking sound. This sound confirms that your vehicle has successfully entered the key fob programming mode. While in programming mode, press the lock button on each additional remote you wish to program, one by one. The door locks will cycle after each remote is accepted. You have 10 seconds to program all your fobs. Once all fobs are programmed, turn the ignition completely to the OFF position and remove the key. Finally, test all your key fobs to ensure they work correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.